Thank you for joining me in my SAP S/4HANA training. We will review define tax codes for sales and purchases, and then assign company code to document date for tax determination, and then specify base amount. Okay, let's start with define tax codes for sales and purchases. We will use T code FTXP. We are required for the country. This will be United Kingdom, GB. And here we can select a tax code to review or create a tax code from this section. So let's check first. So we have A0 exempt from output VAT, A1 standard output VAT, A0 delivery of goods within EU, A4. So they don't have 10% VAT and also 20% VAT. So we can assign for a 10% VAT. Let's create a tax code for A6. Okay, let's create the tax code A6. Hit enter. And now we are required to put in a description. So let's code standard VAT output 10%. Okay, that's A6. And then for the tax type, let's see the selections. So we have input and output. So right now we're doing for an output tax. So we will select A, and then we will check the check ID. So transactions will be reviewed or checked before it process when we use A6. So let's hit enter. And now uh, we are provided with the creation of A6 tax code, which is a procedure under tax GB with tax type A. Okay, so in the output, we can put the 10% since this is an output tax. So let's put output tax of 10%. So here we can also see other condition types. So these are the standards. So the account MWS for output and input VST, that's standard keys. So from here we can save this and tax code A6 was created. So that's how we define tax codes and review tax codes for sales and purchases. We now go to assign company code to determine tax date for determination. Okay, let's go back. So for assign company code to determine the document date for tax determination, we can use OBCK, OBCK, or alternatively, we can go to SPRO or SIMG. So from here, we will go to financial accounting node and then to financial accounting global settings node and then to tax on sales purchases node and then to um, calculation, out calculation. Okay. So previously we have used this one define tax code for sales and purchases. Now we are in assign company code to document date for tax determination. So SAP has provided standard for has created automatically for each company codes. Uh, let's find our company code. Yes, it was created automatically for us. So we just have to maintain whether we want the tax to be determined with a doc date. So we will click this in order that the tax determination will be with the doc date, and then save. We will create a new request. Assign company code to doc date for termination. G. Okay, and then enter or save. So that's it. So it was assigned to our to Great Britain to UK in our company code. So if we want to change the name of our request, since we did not put the TUK, so we can easily identify it. We can open it /o and then SE10 and then display. That's correct already. That's display. And yes, this one, double click it and then go to properties and then click change. Doc date happening doc date TV. So let's put also TUK TUK2 for the company code. Okay, then save. Let's close this window. So that's how we assign company code to document date for tax determination. Go back, and now we will specify base amount. We can click this execute the specify base amount. We can also use uh, T code OB69. So let's try OB69 slash N OB69. Okay, it's the same OB69. You can see here. So let's go to our company code, click on position. So our company code is TUK2. Hit enter. So that's it. TUK2, Great Britain. And the tax base net is already uh, selected automatically for us. So this means that when our tax is computed, it will be on a base net. So if it is a sale, it is already less of cash discounts. So that's the net. That's the base net. That what it means. So if you want to double check the documentation, you can hit it from here. You can hit F1. Yes. Yes. And on how you will get to net, the base of net. Okay, so I think that's it.